Hello my friend, I want to show how to test the smoke fire sensor. Okay, so we will use two smoke to test it. Okay, we will test here. Test here, not here. Here is no. You must here. Don't set here. Okay, so white. Because the smoke is very weak, so we need a white. Okay, already check alarm. Okay, so I will test another function. Here is high temperature sensor, because it will be maybe broken, maybe so we use another smoke. We open the case. And this one is this one. This is this. Okay. So if it is very hot, it will alarm. Okay, alarm. Okay, good, thank you.